So congratulations, Jatin.
Thank you, sir.
And he is one of our very old students. He was there since written, and I'm seeing him for quite some time because he always used to grab the opportunity whenever we used to call students from the written batch to be part of the PP and DT. And he always used to be there. In fact, first time when he got screened out, it was a shock because he was so well prepared for the PP and DT. Maybe he was actually putting a lot of content in the story. Otherwise, he was absolutely, and we had no doubt that he will get screened in and also get recommended. But sometimes, destiny has something else for you. So maybe, he was not destined to be in the Air Force, but in the Army. And so God decided, okay, get screened out here and go and join the Army. And the moment he went there, again, I was quite sure because he is a real example of how a person has to be, very focused, total commitment, determination, and focusing on what is being told every time. And above all, what I always keep saying that your overall sanskar means a lot. And he had all those very good qualities. He's always a well-meaning person, very courteous. Always, whatever I used to see, whether he's behaving, whenever he's interacting with seniors or mentors or even with friends, always very courteous, very disciplined. And those things matter a lot because it's such a test of your personality. And there, I'm sure he would have, and how he is saying that, recommended by 3, you can't get to know as to whether you have been recommended by all 3 or not. But with our interaction and from what he, has told me, I told him, yes, most likely that all 3 techniques would have cleared you. And that's a very great thing, and kind of motivation he has. That again it can be seen in overall conduct, overall preparation, and how sincerely he used to be there throughout, never wasting any time anywhere, whether it's in library or a class. I never saw him wasting time anywhere else. So that kind of focus and dedication is required because it is tough. The seats are limited, number of people, number of students, candidates are preparing, and if you have to make that difference, you have to really, your effort has to be top notch, and then only you will be able to stand out. And he stood out. I have no doubt that he would have stood out in the entire group of those 36 or 40. 4 out of 36 is a very challenging number, and he is one of them. And so now he goes to join very soon. 25th is his reporting to the OTA. 9 months, a new birth, and a leader will be born. And I'm sure he's going to make a lot of difference and excel in the Army. So keep working hard, and all the best, Jatin. Thank you.
So this was my second SSB. I had already been screened out from 4A AFSB Varanasi, and though I had my full preparations at that time, I was not able to get screened in. During the second SSB, I had reported to 22 SSB Bhopal, where there was a reporting of 53 students or 53 candidates, out of which 36 managed to get screened in. And at the final stage, only 4 were able to get recommended. I had my preparations done here along with the return I had prepared for SSB, and the PPDT at the first day was quite easy for me because I had practiced so many times. The OIR sets were very easy, and the timings for the OIR were also optimal for me, though I had practiced them in limited times. The group discussion went as per I had imagined or as per I had speculated about that. The screening went smooth, the psych went very smooth. I had also prepared for the GTO and the interview here, where Basu sir and Amit Srivastav sir had guided me through my journey. For psychology, I would like to thank Budhiraj sir, who had given me immense guidance for standing out where most of the candidates are not able to manage to get recommendation from the psychologist. And that makes me think that the guidance which was provided here was more than what we can get. Thank you.
How you write TAT are like totally different from others. Like I have seen your some TAT stories. It was like really totally different from other students.
Writing TAT stories are more of like the whole SSB depends on how natural you are, the true image of yourself, how naturally you are able to portray in front of the assessors. So while writing the stories, the daily day-to-day activities or the awareness which we get from the sources. So writing the stories as much practical as much you can and correlating them with you. That is the only aspect which you can make them unique. So writing the stories from your own perspective, your own mindset, the things that you know from the experiences that you have had, that will make you that will help you stand out from others.
अगर देश की वर्दी पहनना है आपका भी सपना, तो आपकी मंजिल तक पहुंचाने के लिए सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी है आपके साथ, जो है डिफेंस एग्जाम्स की सफलता में एक भरोसेमंद नाम। यहां आपको मिलता है बेस्ट मेंटर्स का मार्गदर्शन, रेगुलर क्लासेस, एक्सटेंसिव स्टडी मटेरियल, एक्सपीरियंस्ड एसएसबी एक्सपर्ट से ट्रेनिंग, लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट और रेगुलर डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस जैसी कई सुविधाएं, ताकि आपकी डिफेंस प्रिपरेशन हो पूरी A to Z। तो फिर देर किस बात की है? सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी वेलकम करती है हर उस एस्पिरेंट को जिसने देखा है सपना देश सेवा और रक्षा का। अभी एनरोल कीजिए हमारे कोर्सेज में और टॉप AIRs की तरह ही दीजिए अपनी मेहनत को एक विनिंग बूस्ट।